Protect your home with security services from APP Alarms. We've been repairing, installing and upgrading burglar alarms and security systems in Bradford, Halifax, Leeds, Keighley and Huddersfield for 21 years. We provide servicing and maintenance, same-day repairs, and we can fix your alarm even if we didn't install it. The most popular alarms we repair include ADE, Optima and Accenta, GuardTech, Menvir, Pyronic, Scantronic and Texacom. We also install the latest wireless alarms, and with all our work guaranteed, we reckon we're the domestic specialists you can trust. Contact us through our website or call us today at APP Alarms.